G'day and welcome to the Patch Astwood YouTube channel. Today we're going to the street life meet with some Wambu Beam Bum. 5 up in the tiers.
Just like that, we are back with another video. Bro, push some shoes on, man.
No.
He's a barefoot bandit, guys.
What a bogan. Tim hasn't been driven since the Hampton trip. So if you haven't seen the Hampton Downs video, make sure to go watch that because that was an absolute banger of a day. Like, crazy day. This thing somehow survived all the abuse. Only caught on fire once. How'd you get so tall, bro? Yeah, the tears.
It's a giraffe.
Bum boom beam bum. Huh.
Come over to my new house and I'll bring you.
That's bogan.
No, Josh has had that.
Thank you for supporting or stalking. Oh, shot D. Dummy. Our 5 up, so we are scraping.
We are all good, matey.
We got
Lower's the way to go.
We got all the homies. Look at that, 325,000 Ks, mate. Still going strong.
Yeah, babe.
Rightio, so we had to shoot home because pin started misfiring. Thought it was a coil. Turns out, yep, was a coil. So we've got that fixed now. At Sebastian for the light.
Yeah, we fixed it. All good.
Words
Pretty
of wisdom.
arrogant. One beam boom bum. Here's some sideways action.
Bro, you've got the steering down, son. Alright, so we're either going to head back to the cruise and go out for dinner, or just go out for dinner. We don't really know, we're just going to go.
I wonder if they're going to bring it up.
Yeah, they will.
They will.
Tall, lanky fella.
Cool lanky fella, man.
We're all like.
Thoughts?
Quite nice, bit true.
But quite like it.
It is actually quite good. We got flavour. What? Hey.
We might go to Little H-Town. We'll see what happens. Do I? Quite nice. Bit chewy, but quite like it. So it's been probably like 4 or 5 hours since I picked up the camera.
8 foot in a turkey.
Long story short, Pim left the chat. We're temporarily, she'll enter the chat soon.
It's very bumpy back here.
Yes. This is the bro's car, and I'm driving, and he's just in the back, just chilling, because old mate decided to have a quick down on that.
She folded. You've got to zoom in on the lights on the there.
We're doing the speed limit. The speedo's out by a bit, see? We're off to Little H-Town. I don't know what the frick we're going to do there. We're going to do something.
H-Town things.
Yeah, Little H-Town. We should go to the skate park. Quite nice. Bit chewy, but quite like it. We're going to see where we go now. Boom! And just like that. I haven't really filmed much, but we ended up in Wanganui. Amazing what happens when, like, you end up just going and seeing where the road takes you. You already know the parents, like, I hope my kids are staying out of trouble. The kids.
Okay, man, going past.
What the heck are you doing?
Ooh,
got a big
fire,
nose.
that's a bit too personal right there, mate. Oh,
The stars look pretty nice tonight.
That's what I thought out Waterloo like 9 hours ago.
G'day and welcome. Today, we're on the way to Hampton Downs. Go, bro. Oh!
Bro, I haven't done one of those in like 8 years.
Well, that was terrifying.
I've got a sore back from work. When you get to my age, man. Yeah.
I reckon we're going to carry this vlog on tomorrow, I reckon.
It is tomorrow.
Today. We're going to carry it on when we get
Later
home.
on today.
We're going to blast some jams, so hopefully we stay awake, Seb?
Oh, hopefully. We're not going to fold.
Yeah, we're going to stay awake today and then go to bed
Bailey can
Sunday.
take the wheel right if you need to.
Yeah, hard.
Yeah.
She can't really, she'll be right.
See the mountain? That looks sick. With the sunset. Oh. Hang out with the bros, have a good time, live life to the fullest. Mum wagon! Yeah. Should I steal his car? Oh wait. This isn't his car. This is my car. Hello. This is my car. And I don't trust it. Because you hear that noise?
That's good.
That is good. Don't worry about that. Turn the radio up.
Yes.
Oh, is that good? Is it really? You got your sandwich?
quite nice. Bit chewy, but quite like it.
Us. What's happening over here? We are cruising in Midhurst, made it back. No way. BMW leaking oil?
Huh?
I don't believe it.
What is that, man?
Leaking oil? No way. I don't need sleep. I'm better than that. How many hours has it been now? I don't know.
A
Too
lot.
many.
Hey,
Oh,
Dad.
do I have bags under my eyes?
Not really, nah.
Oh,
Do I?
no. You're actually looking pretty arrogant today. I must say.
Mate, look at this thing. Crazy to think this thing back in New Year's, like this year, bought New Year's in unlimiter. Going bam, 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 bam. The whole reason this isn't running is because it doesn't have oil in the motor.
It's a fountain.
Right, yeah, and that.